Hi everyone! Welcome to English Coffee Time.
Hey there, I'm Neo.
And I'm Emma. This is the channel where we speak slow, clear, everyday American English, perfect for beginners and intermediate learners.
Every single day we upload a new long conversation, 30 to 60 minutes, so you can listen while you drink coffee, walk, drive, or relax.
Daily listening is one of the best ways to improve your English, so please hit that red subscribe button right now and tap the bell so you never miss a new episode.
Thank you for being here. Let's start today's coffee chat.
Hey Neo, how have you been lately?
Hey Emma, I've been great. I've been watching a lot of basketball recently. There have been some really exciting games.
Perfect timing, because today I really want to talk about basketball, especially professional basketball in the United States.
I love that topic. Basketball is a huge part of American sports culture, and there are many interesting stories.
Let's start very simple. For beginners, what is basketball?
Basketball is a team sport. Two teams play against each other. Each team has 5 players on the court. The goal is to score points by putting the ball into the basket.
The basket is high, right?
Yes, the basket or hoop is 10 feet high. Players need to jump, shoot, or dunk the ball into it.
How do teams score points?
If you shoot the ball inside the three-point line, you get 2 points. If you shoot from behind the three-point line, you get 3 points. Free throws are 1 point each.
What are free throws?
Free throws happen after a foul. A player stands at the free throw line and shoots without defense.
What is a foul exactly?
A foul is a legal contact, for example, pushing, hitting, or blocking someone unfairly.
How long does a professional basketball game last?
In the NBA, there are 4 quarters. Each quarter is 12 minutes. That's 48 minutes of game time. But with breaks, the game usually lasts around 2 hours.
NBA stands for what?
NBA means National Basketball Association. It is the top professional basketball league in the world.
How many teams are in the NBA?
There are 30 teams. 29 teams are in the United States, and 1 team is in Canada, the Toronto Raptors.
How does the NBA season work?
The regular season starts in October and ends in April. Each team plays 82 games.
That's a lot of games.
Yes, it is. After the regular season, the best teams go to the playoffs.
What are the playoffs?
The playoffs are elimination games. 16 teams compete, and teams play best-of-7 series until one champion remains.
And that champion wins the NBA Finals?
Exactly. The last 2 teams play in the NBA Finals, and the winner is the champion.
Who won the championship recently?
The Boston Celtics won in 2024. They had a very strong team and great defense.
Boston Celtics is a famous team, right?
Very famous. Along with the Los Angeles Lakers, they are 2 of the most successful teams in NBA history.
What other teams are very popular?
The Chicago Bulls, Golden State Warriors, Miami Heat, and San Antonio Spurs are also well known.
Let's talk about players. Who are the biggest stars right now?
LeBron James is still a huge star. He's been playing for over 20 years and is still amazing.
That's incredible.
Stephen Curry is another superstar. He changed basketball with his three-point shooting.
I always hear his name.
Nikola Jokic is also very important. He plays for the Denver Nuggets and is known for his passing and basketball IQ.
What about Giannis?
Giannis Antetokounmpo plays for the Milwaukee Bucks. He's strong, fast, and very hard to stop.
What does MVP mean?
MVP means Most Valuable Player. It's given to the best player of the season.
Who are the legends from the past?
Michael Jordan is the biggest legend. Many people believe he is the greatest basketball player ever.
He played for the Chicago Bulls, right?
Yes, he won 6 championships with the Bulls in the 1990s.
Who else?
Kobe Bryant with the Lakers, Magic Johnson, Larry Bird, Shaquille O'Neal, and Tim Duncan.
Why do people love basketball so much?
Because it's fast, exciting, and emotional. The score changes quickly, and one shot can change everything.
What is a dunk?
A dunk is when a player jumps and puts the ball directly into the basket with force.
That's my favorite part.
Many fans love dunks. Players like Vince Carter and LeBron James are famous for them.
Are there interesting stories in NBA history?
Many. One famous story is Michael Jordan's flu game. He was very sick but still played and scored many points.
That sounds painful.
Another story is when the Cleveland Cavaliers came back from being down 3-1 in the finals in 2016.
That sounds impossible.
It was historic. No team had done that before in the finals.
What are conferences?
The NBA is divided into 2 conferences, Eastern and Western. Each has 15 teams.
What are positions in basketball?
There are 5 positions: point guard, shooting guard, small forward, power forward, and center.
What does a point guard do?
The point guard controls the ball and leads the team.
And the center?
The center is usually the tallest player. They play near the basket and protect it.
What is a rebound?
A rebound is when a player catches the ball after a missed shot.
What about a block?
A block is when a defender stops a shot before it reaches the basket.
Assist?
A pass that leads directly to a score.
Let's talk about some basketball expressions.
Sure. Buzzer beater is a shot made at the last second of the game.
Clutch means performing well under pressure.
Posterized means someone got dunked on in a very dramatic way.
How can beginners start watching basketball?
Start with highlights. Short videos help you understand the game and players.
What about full games?
You can watch full games on TV or with NBA League Pass.
Is basketball popular outside the U.S.?
Very popular. Many NBA players come from Europe, Africa, and other parts of the world.
Like Luka Doncic?
Yes, from Slovenia. Also Joel Embiid from Cameroon and Victor Wembanyama from France.
Wembanyama is very tall, right?
Extremely tall and very skilled. Many people think he will be a future superstar.
What about women's basketball?
The WNBA is growing fast. Many players are becoming very popular and inspiring.
College basketball is also big in the U.S., right?
Yes, March Madness is a huge tournament every year and very exciting.
Let's do a fun role play. We are watching a game together.
Okay, the score is close. 5 seconds left.
The player dribbles, steps back, shoots.
It's in! The crowd goes wild.
That was exciting.
Basketball moments like that make fans love the game.
How can someone start playing basketball?
You just need a ball and a hoop. Many people play at public courts.
Do you need special shoes?
Basketball shoes are important to protect your ankles.
Are injuries common?
They can happen, especially to knees and ankles, but good training helps.
What is the All-Star Game?
It's a special event where the best players play together for fun.
And the dunk contest?
Very popular. Players compete with creative and powerful dunks.
This season, what has been interesting?
Young players are improving fast, games are closer, and fans are very excited.
I feel like I understand basketball much better now.
That's great. Basketball is fun to watch and fun to talk about.
Everyone listening, we have a question for you.
Who is your favorite basketball player and why?
Or which team do you support?
Do you watch the NBA or do you play basketball yourself?
Write your answer in the comments in English.
We read many comments and reply to a lot of them.
If you enjoyed this episode, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the bell.
New coffee chat every day.
Thank you for spending your coffee time with us.
Keep practicing English and enjoy basketball.
Bye for now. See you tomorrow.